Opal automates university event campaigns, connecting CMP, CMS, DAM, and social channels from planning to promotion. I'll act as a marketing manager at a UK university. I ask Opal to create an open day campaign, start a month before the event, showcase what it's like to study and live in Coventry, highlight the breadth of courses from economics to computer science, feature career prospects, and show campus and community life. Opal starts by gathering all the necessary context and instructions. It then asks me to clarify the campaign goal, target audience, budget, and duration, offering guidance along the way. I'll reply, the primary goal is to drive registrations for the open day, with brand awareness as a secondary focus. Target domestic school leavers, international prospects, and parents. Key study areas to highlight are economics, maths, statistics, and computer science. The budget is £25,000. The open day is on Saturday, October 24th, 2026. Run the campaign from 1 month before to 1 week after for follow-up. Opal will then create the campaign in Optimizely's content marketing platform, or CMP, named University of Warwick Open Day 2026. Next, I return to Opal and choose to create a task. Our custom CMP content manager agent suggests options like a campaign landing page, an article, or a social post. A landing page is a good starting point. The workflow recognizes that we'll need several assets with different specifications, all outlined in a detailed task brief in CMP. I can preview the task brief right away using a direct link. I review it to make sure everything is correct, and if I need to make changes, I can do so immediately. I then ask Opal to create the content. The landing page copy is written in seconds and added directly to the task, with dedicated sections covering the key courses, life in Coventry, career prospects, and campus experience. It also creates strong calls to action to drive registrations and adds tailored SEO metadata to the page. Next, I ask Opal to generate a hero banner image for the landing page. Once it's created and attached to the task, I can preview it before continuing. I return to Opal Chat and tell it to create the page in the CMS. Opal then creates the new page in the CMS as a draft, so I don't have to manually find the right place, select components, or spend hours editing page settings. It's all handled automatically. I can preview the page and see how it will look when published. Once I'm happy with it, I can publish it and view the live page using a direct link. Opal then suggests what to do next. Next, I want to create a social post to promote the page. Opal creates a new social post task in CMP, and I can review the task before asking it to generate the content. The workflow then creates the social copy directly in the CMP task, with clear calls to action, relevant hashtags, and a direct link to the live landing page. I can then ask Opal to generate the image for the social post and preview the finished post before publishing. I return to Opal Chat and tell it to publish to Facebook. The workflow then moves to the agent that handles social media connections, so I don't have to manually manage the publishing process. The workflow can keep going with me in control, as you've seen, but I'm finished for now and will continue later. This was a custom Opal workflow connecting multiple systems and agents to take a campaign from brief to live content and promotion. It has 6 AI actions, 4 quality gates, and 15 steps across 5 phases, with me reviewing, approving, or giving instructions at key stages. So I stay fully in control. Tasks that once took weeks of coordination, production, copywriting, design, and manual work can now be completed in minutes.